Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi A3, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So once you put the device for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen, and you start off by choosing the language. So just tap here and then select the language. Now I'm gonna stick with English, so I don't really need to do anything, and then I press start. Then you get a screen about the SIM card. Now I don't have any SIM card inserted into the device, so you can just skip it. It doesn't really matter in any way. You can put in a SIM card later on and it will literally change nothing. So the next screen you will see is the Wi-Fi, and here you can connect to your Wi-Fi that you have one, if you have one, let's say that. And then the device will start looking for updates and also then allow you to connect to your Google account if you have one. So I'm just gonna choose one and then connect. Give it a moment as it's looking for updates and stuff like that. I guess I won't be connecting to network in this case, so I just skip it in this case. I'm not sure what's wrong with my network. So you can basically skip it as well if you don't want it. And like I said, if you would connect, you have the ability to log into Google and there just enable like backup and stuff associated with the Google account. So I just tap on next. Date will be accurate. So location, you have some additional options that you can enable or disable here for like localization. If you don't want it to be enabled, you can disable it, but keep in mind that you will have the option to enable or disable it later on as well. Let's tap on accept, and then you have the fingerprint unlock, so you can set up a way of unlocking your device through fingerprint. Now mind you, once you're setting it up for the first time, you will also need to add some kind of other way of unlocking the device, like PIN, password, or pattern. I'm just gonna do it right now as an example. So by default it's set to PIN, and you can also change it, as you can see right here, screen lock options, and you can, for instance, set it to pattern, then draw the pattern, tap next, and redraw it again and confirm it. And now we should be able to enroll our fingerprint, which is located right here. Let me just get a better grip on this. I'm not trying to do it like super good fingerprint read, I'm just trying to get it quick. Normally you want to move your finger around and get it from every angle possible, but here I'm just trying to get it to finish the process. And basically that's it. You have some Me services which you can enable, these experimental programs, and okay, you don't really need that, so you can just tap on finish. I mean, again, you can enable it if you wish to. And basically the process is now finished. So that is how you would set up the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.